Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid. Welcome to my channel where I do videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. First of all, I want to say welcome to the new subscribers. We got a good little influx of new subscribers within the past week, so thank you for subscribing. I hope you are enjoying my videos, and welcome to House of Sid. So today, for our cafecito time, because you know it's always cafecito time here at House of Sid, today I'm going to share with you a review on a coffee, but not just any coffee. This is a special coffee box that I think will be really good for the upcoming holidays. If you have that person in your life that loves coffee, maybe this will be a special gift that you can send to them, or gift it to yourself, because why not? We have to treat ourselves, right? So let's get started with today's video. Hey friends, so cafecito time, and today I'm going to share with you this review of I Say It with Cafe. So this is an online shop that I actually connected with the owner on Instagram. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram and you want to see a lot more coffee things, or just behind the scenes, or my everyday life, and also I've been doing the advent calendar for the Nespresso coffee. So if you want to see that, go to Instagram at House of Sid, same name, and yeah, go follow me, check me out. So like I was saying, I connected with I Say It with Cafe. Cafe is coffee in Spanish. On Instagram, and she offered to send me this really cute, adorable coffee box gift to try it out. So thank you, I Say with Cafe. And I looked at it, but I have not opened it up or tried it or anything, because I wanted to save it so I can do it here with you guys on the channel. So look at that box. It's so cute. So let's open it up. So I Say It with Cafe, experience the gift of coffee. So basically it's an online shop where you can buy these specially curated coffee boxes, and she has different boxes, different sizes, different prices. You can do custom gifts also with coffee and snacks, treats. I saw some boxes with coffee cups, coffee mugs, little cute coffee signs, coffee socks. There's like a lot of cool stuff on there. So I know a couple people on my Christmas wish list that might be getting one of these special little boxes. So that's what the box looks like. Very cute. Let's open it up. So the box I received comes with these two cards. Oh, this is very cool. It's like a postcard, and it tells you where the coffee is from. So I received the Caribbean and Latin American coffee from Mexico. It's a single origin gourmet coffee. And the cool thing is, when you order this as well, you can choose the type of coffee you want. If you want it whole bean, if you want it ground, and it'll depend on the type of brewing method you're going to use. So if you want to brew it with a French press, drip coffee, or mocha pot. So just depending on the brew method, the grinds will be different. So that's the little card, and it has all the information about the coffee. It's a medium to light coffee, single origin, 100% Arabica, fair trade, certified organic. So that's very good too. Gives you a history about the coffee. Let's see. Mexican coffees are akin to good white wine. Dry with a delicate body, a gentle sweetness and fruitiness, and acidic snap to finish off the experience. In this Mexican coffee, you will find a mild flavor with a light body and nutty tasty notes. It can also show bright acidity, overtones of chocolate and earthy and spice notes. Very nice. So I'm really getting into the history, not the history, but the origin of the coffee, finding out where it came from, the tasty notes, which is really good to know because sometimes you taste coffees that you really love and you're like, oh, it has a nutty taste note, it has a fruity or chocolate, and that's good to know. So we get another little cute card just saying Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, thank you for your business. And it has all her social media and websites, which I will share in the description. I will link everything there for you guys if you're interested. The packaging is really great. I really love the packaging. Okay, let's get into it. So it comes with the Mexico coffee. Very nice packaging. And I chose the whole bean only because I could grind it to brew it in my pour over or my drip coffee maker. I just wanted to have the flexibility with it. And I have my little grinder here that I'm going to be grinding it up. It's kind of an old grinder, but it does the job. So there it is. And then she sent me also a little chocolate covered espresso beans. Ooh, these are definitely going to be tasty for later. But let's focus on the coffee. So this is 4 ounces of coffee. And like I said, you can choose the origin of the coffee. I believe she has a really good variety of coffees. And like I said, I'm going to leave you the link to the website for everything. But just to give you an idea, Puerto Rican, Guatemalan, Mexican. Let's see, what other... Internet, slow. Colombian, Guatemalan, I already said, and different varieties. You can pick a variety pack of coffees, and you can also customize a box, which I think is really cool. So if you want to make it more individual, more special, you can customize a box with the coffees. She even has coffee wax melts, socks, and all kinds of treats. So definitely check it out. So let's open it. Enough chit-chatties here. Let's open this. Okay, it's resealable, which is good. And I love that. I love that first whiff of coffee when you open a coffee package. It smells so good. Oh, it smells good. I can tell, see, I'm learning. I could tell this is going to be a lighter blend of coffee with just the scent. Okay, let me get a couple of beans here to show you. So, there's the little cafecito beans. I will get that later. You know what? I do kind of smell a little bit of the chocolate notes, like almost a little bit of sweetness. Ooh, this is going to be good. So for pour over, like I said, I'm going to use the pour over method. I'm going to use my pour over carafe, and I'm going to grind the coffee, and I will add this as well if you guys want to know, but there is coffee grind size charts depending on the way you're going to brew it. If it's going to be to make cold brew, percolator, drip, pour over, espresso, mocha pot. So for pour over, they recommend medium to fine, and I'm going to do about a medium. So let's grind our coffee. Okay. And the thing with whole bean coffee I like too is it's just a little bit fresher. So You know, you could grind it as you go. Because it makes me feel kind of fancy when I grind my own. Okay, so we're going to do medium. This grinder is old and it's just the push button. I know there's better grinders, and yes, I'm going to get the conical burr grinder because you can select the grind and it'll do it for you instead of guessing. But I'm going to do it this way for now. A little bit more. It's a little too coarse. Okay, that looks good. Here we go. It doesn't have instructions here, but usually I just go with my scoops to grind it, and it says here about 2 tablespoons of coffee to about 10 grams per cup. So that's what I'm going to go by. A little too coarse, but that's okay. I'm going to put it in there. Okay, so I have my hot water, and we're going to brew. And this is not a lesson in pour over, but you just have to bloom the coffee a little bit first. So I'm going to add some water in there just to bloom it. Kind of let it get soaked in a little bit. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm going to slowly pour it in here. This is so satisfying to watch it brew this way. Okay, I think that's enough water. So you have to let it just finish dripping. Towards the end, it might be a little bit slow because all the water's like oozing, squeezing out of the coffee grinds. Okay, so okay. It's kind of a light medium coffee, which it says on there. Smells really good. I'm trying not to burn myself. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think I made it a little too light, but that's okay. Oh. It's really yummy. I could definitely taste the little bit of sweetness from the chocolate notes. Very good. Let's see. Nutty. There you go. Nutty, tasty notes and overtones of chocolate and spicy note. You guys, this is really good. I highly recommend you try this out. I think not only is it a fun, unique idea, but it's definitely a very special gift that the coffee lover in your life will definitely appreciate. And if you go on the website, it'll tell you the coffee, if it's a medium, light, dark. So definitely check it out. I really like this idea. The coffee's good. Let's try with a little bit of milk because, you know, I like my half and half, my creamer. Just a little bit. Because sometimes it changes the the notes or the flavor. Oh yeah. Yeah. The man of the house is definitely going to enjoy. He likes the lighter blend coffees. He's going to enjoy this. So if you're interested in a unique gift for the coffee lover in your life, check it out, guys. I say it with café. Links will be in the description. Go there. Tell them House of Sid sent you. Go follow them on Instagram. Very nice. I'm positive that the coffee lover in your life is going to love this, appreciate it, and is going to be very, very surprised. And they're going to think, wow, this person spent not only the money, but the time, and just was very, very thoughtful in their gifts. So go check them out. I really like this gift. And yeah, I'm going to be ordering a couple boxes for some lucky people. So leave me a comment, because you know what? Maybe one of you guys will be the lucky person I send a box to. So like this video, make sure you are subscribed and leave me a comment, and maybe I will pick someone from the comment section to surprise them with a I Say with Cafe box. But you have to be a subscriber and you have to leave a comment on this video. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. It's helping our videos grow. Thank you everyone for subscribing. It really means a lot to me that you take the time not only to watch our videos, but that you have subscribed and turn on the notifications so you know when our next video is coming up. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.